My name is Merlinda Pagkatpat. I'm 55 years old. I'm 5'3". I'm 60 kilogram. I'm from Philippines. I'm working before in Taiwan for 12 years. And also, I'm working in Hong Kong for 10 years. I'm taking care of two kids, the 8 years old and the 2 years old. Straight for 8 years for one employer. I know how to speak Mandarin and a little bit Cantonese. I know how to cook Chinese foods. I have a car washing. I have a marketing and taking care of pet. And also I'm working there at taking care of elderly. He is a paralyzed. As a helper, I try my best to follow the rules and regulation. I thank you.